Hello, my name is Emily Amozurrutia. I'm going to be teaching students, older students, how to make a color wheel. This color wheel has 12 colors on it, so it's a little bit more advanced than just mixing blue and yellow to make green. So it's good for them to learn what analogous colors are, what complementary colors are, what contrasting colors are. And so this will help them in making in art in the future. They can have it, they can use it, they can look at it, refer to it. So what I'm going to do is do a color wheel. Now I have already made I've already separated this into 12 sections. I've labeled them. What I would do is I would give every student a paper plate. I would have them do the same thing, and then I would have them label, just because it gets a little confusing when you're trying to make colors. So first thing, I would give them a paper plate, put a little bit of paint of each one of the primary colors, which are blue, yellow, and red. I also have 3 paintbrushes and a glass of water to use. So what I like to do is, on here, I find the one that says yellow, and I dip my paintbrush in it. I paint it yellow. Doesn't have to be perfect. Then on my next one, I do it red. Find the one that says red. These paintbrushes aren't the best, but they'll get the job done for what I'm using them for. And then I do blue. Okay, and then I'm going to have to decide what color I want to work with, and since I have the blue paintbrush in my hand, I'll do purple or violet, since it's between red and blue. So I'm going to mix, I'm going to put a little bit of blue, and let's put a little bit of red, mix them. Now I have violet. Okay, and then you have to make red violet and blue violet. So we only have one here. So what I like to do is I like to make, I'll do blue violet, more blue, and just a little bit of red. No, wait. And then just a little bit of blue violet. Just a little bit of violet. And you can see this color is a little bit darker than violet and a little bit darker than blue. And because I didn't have enough color left in the original violet that I made, I'll go ahead and make it again. This with blue and with red. And this time I will add a little bit of red to it. So now it's more of a rosy color. So it looks the same on the paper, so I'm going to add a little bit more red. There we go. Looks a lot better now. So what I've made so far is kind of the cool colors and some of the warmer colors, and I would explain the difference between a cool color like blues and greens and between a warm color like red, orange, and yellow as we use them in art. And then I would also have them make a chart that puts the colors, that like with a swatch of the color each one, saying that this is a cool color, this is a warm color, these are analogous colors, like blue, blue, violet, and violet are analogous because they're right next to each other. I could say yellow is complementary to purple because they're opposite the color wheel, or blue-green is complementary to red-orange, and just use the color wheel in different ways. And so that's how I would use an art technique in my classroom, probably for older kids, maybe 5th, 6th grade. And yeah, so thank you for watching.